Hey guys, it's Chantel, mom of 3, and I am trying to do something new and exciting called Tuesday Tips. So today is Tuesday, and I thought I would do a quick video, hopefully every Tuesday, under 5 minutes, of a tip, a DIY project, something that makes your life easier or more memorable. So today I was sitting here thinking, what can I do today? And I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite projects I've ever done. Super easy, super cost effective, and it's something that will have years of enjoyment. I'm coming to you from my bedroom / bathroom because I actually keep this little project in my bathroom. Here it is, guys. A simple little box. Now, you may be wondering, what's inside the box? I found this project on Pinterest over 7 years ago, and it was just a little daily diary, basically, of what you do on a daily basis, but on a really small level. So inside, I have a bunch of different note cards, and each note card has the date on it. Today is April 28th, 2020. What I did is I bought note cards. I bought these larger note cards, and I actually stamped the month and date on here, which took me a while. This is before I had kids, so I had some extra time on my hands. You can buy these stamps, you can buy stickers, you can print them, you can write them. It's not a big deal how you get the date on there, just that you have the date on there. Then every day, I keep this in my bathroom, so every night after I brush my teeth or right before I go to bed, I write down the year in little parentheses, the date, the day, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then I just write a little bit about what I did. So the first year of doing this is not very fun because you're writing on a blank note card and you're like, oh, today I did this. I went to the grocery store. I ate really good dinner. But the second year, I promise you guys, you're gonna love going back and reading some of the things that you did. This one, for instance, I took my daughter to the play gym, and then I went and got her Dunkin' Donuts. She was only a year and a half old, and now she loves donuts. I've scarred her for life. And it just goes on to a couple years later, I'm going out garage sailing. I bought some patio furniture, and when I read this, I remember going to that garage sale and getting a good deal on patio furniture. So this is something I really hold near and dear to my heart, and I'm very sentimental and nostalgic, and I'm not good at writing in a diary. I know some people have a diary, some people vlog, some people post on Facebook or Instagram. I'm not that great at those things. So this is a really fun, easy way to just write down 1 or 2 sentences of your day. You went to the doctor, you got a foot massage, you played outside, it could be anything. Someday mine are really positive, and then even when I have bad days, I'll write down, hey, having a rough day. And that's all I put. So anyways, this is just a fun project that I did and I wanted to share with you guys. There are a couple different ways you guys can do this. Obviously, I just bought this little 10 container at Hobby Lobby. It was under, I think, $6.99. And then the note cards are $1 or $2 at the W, aka Walmart. So it's a really cost-effective project to do. You could even do, I was thinking today, a shoebox, any type of small container you could use for this. It does not have to be fancy, but I guarantee you over the years it'll be really fun to read, especially you know, someone's passed away. I have memories of, you know, times when I went to their house and went swimming, or we went out to dinner, and so it's fun to reflect back on that. So real quick, I was thinking this could be something your whole family can do. You can do it yourself, or I was even thinking my kids could do this. My daughter's old enough where she can write now, she can read. So I just bought this plastic index card box at the W for 97 cents. Index cards, same, 96 cents. And I'm gonna have her write the dates on it and just have her put a little blurb about her day. She did her homework, she played outside, she read a book. And I thought it would just be a fun thing for her to start, and she can look back at it. So this is my Tuesday tip, the first one I'm doing. So if I've left anything out or if you have any questions, please comment below. Also, if you come up with a great idea and you make one of these boxes out of something else, maybe you painted it, covered it, maybe you had an old box laying around the house, please share your ideas. I love to see what you guys have. Again, maybe some of you guys already do this and have it in a different form. I just like this one because it's easy for me to write down. Plus, when I travel, I'll go through and pick out the dates that I'm traveling, and I'll stick them in my suitcase. They lay nice and flat, and I can write down what I did on vacation, and then it's fun to go back the next year and be like, oh, I was in California, or I was doing this. Also, I've done this for 7 years, so obviously you run out of space. And so what I did is I just took a blank card, and now I just stick it behind that card. Again, nothing fancy, and then I can start writing again on that card. And I have actually on the very bottom wrote the date so I don't get the cards mixed up. But anyways, you guys, thank you for watching this quick Tuesday tip. If you have any questions, comment below, but thanks for watching. Like me, follow me, Chantel, Mom of 3.